Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Achiote oil is probably one of the most versatile and flavorful ingredients you can add to your culinary arsenal, offering a vibrant color and a unique, earthy taste that can elevate a wide range of dishes from Mexican and Caribbean cuisines to marinades and rubs for meats and vegetables. Its distinct aroma and rich pigment make it a staple for authentic flavor profiles, and finding a high-quality option can truly transform your cooking experience, bringing a touch of tradition and exotic flair right into your kitchen. Number 5. TrendPlain Original 16-ounce Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle. Introducing our new olive oil dispenser, designed for your kitchen. It features a durable exterior coating and an uncoated interior, ensuring your oil stays pure and safe for daily cooking. Tired of spoiled oil? This bottle has a light-blocking design that protects your olive oil from sunlight. Enjoy fresh, flavorful oil for longer, giving you peace of mind. Never mix up your oils again. It comes with 8 water-resistant labels, including pre-printed and blank options. Easily identify your bottles for kitchen and other storage needs. Achieve perfect seasoning every time with its innovative spray nozzle. Quick presses create a fine mist, while slow presses deliver a steady stream. It's ideal for both indoor cooking and outdoor grilling. This multifunctional tool combines pouring and spraying in one convenient bottle. Streamline your cooking process, whether you need a precise spray for air frying or a controlled pour for stir fries. It's a practical addition to keep your kitchen clean and efficient. What we like? This oil dispenser offers both pouring and spraying functions in one bottle. Its light-blocking design keeps oil fresh for longer. If you are looking for a versatile tool that simplifies cooking and reduces kitchen mess, this is a great choice. What people say. The oil has a vibrant color and a distinct earthy flavor that is perfect for marinades and rubs. It's a versatile ingredient that adds a beautiful reddish-orange hue to dishes, making them visually appealing. The aroma is fragrant and authentic, enhancing the overall culinary experience. Number 4. CXINYI 16 ounces 2-in-1 Olive Oil Dispenser and Sprayer. Introducing a revolutionary kitchen tool that combines both spraying and pouring functions. Simplify your cooking with this all-in-one oil dispenser bottle, designed to save space and minimize mess. Achieve the perfect oil application every time. With a simple press, you can get a fine mist or a steady stream, making it ideal for all your cooking needs. Crafted from deep green glass, this bottle protects your oil from light, preventing spoilage. Keep your oil fresh and flavorful for longer with this essential kitchen gadget. Stay organized with the included waterproof labels. These stylish stickers help you easily identify your oils and add a modern touch to your kitchen counter. This durable dispenser is built for longevity and comes with a lifetime quality guarantee. We are here to support you should any issues arise. What we like? This dispenser combines spraying and pouring with a stylish, light-proof green glass bottle. It comes with helpful labels for organization. If you prioritize preserving oil freshness and appreciate a lifetime quality assurance, this option is ideal for you. What people say. The oil has a vibrant, natural color that imparts a beautiful hue to dishes. It's a versatile ingredient, perfect for marinades, rubs, and sauces, adding an authentic flavor profile. The aroma is rich and earthy, enhancing the overall culinary experience. Number 3. Achiote Powder, Ground Annatto Seeds 4 ounces. Discover the natural vibrant color and subtle flavor of our ground annatto seeds. It's a versatile ingredient perfect for enhancing your favorite dishes. Easily add a beautiful hue to your soups and stews. This powder brings a mild, earthy taste that complements slow-cooked meals. Elevate your meat dishes with a touch of authentic color and flavor. It's ideal for marinades, rubs, and seasoning before cooking. Bring the true taste of Mexico to your kitchen. Use it to achieve the traditional colors and flavors in classic Mexican recipes. Made from 100% ground annatto seeds, this powder is a natural way to add visual appeal and a delicate taste. Enjoy pure, wholesome seasoning. Our convenient 4-ounce pouch keeps the ground seeds fresh and ready for use. Simply reseal after each use to maintain quality. What we like? This achiote powder is made from ground annatto seeds, perfect for adding a mild flavor and vibrant color to dishes. If you enjoy cooking Mexican cuisine or want to enhance your soups and stews with natural coloring and a subtle taste, this powder is a must-have. What people say. The oil is a vibrant, deep red color, indicating a good concentration of annatto seeds. It imparts a beautiful, authentic reddish-orange hue to dishes, perfect for traditional recipes. The aroma is earthy and slightly peppery, adding a complex flavor profile to marinades and stews. Number 2. Thrive Algae Cooking Oil Premier Culinary Blend. Discover the premier culinary blend designed for your health. This unique oil is crafted to enhance your meals while supporting your well-being. Make a heart-healthy choice with our carefully selected ingredients. It's the perfect addition to a balanced and mindful diet. Experience the benefits of its high omega-9 content, making up 90% of its fat profile. This monounsaturated fat is excellent for your health. Enjoy a very low level of omega-6 fatty acids. This balanced fatty acid profile contributes to its overall health benefits. With its 16.9 fluid ounces size, it's ideal for everyday cooking and baking. Elevate your dishes with this versatile and nutritious oil. This pack offers convenience and quality for your kitchen. It's the smart, health-conscious option for all your culinary adventures. What we like. This cooking oil is a premier culinary blend, rich in heart-healthy omega-9 monounsaturated fats and very low in omega-6. If you are health-conscious and looking for a cooking oil that supports cardiovascular health while offering a clean taste, this algae-based option is an excellent selection. What people say. The oil has a vibrant, natural color that imparts a beautiful hue to dishes. It has a mild, earthy flavor that complements a variety of cuisines without overpowering other ingredients. The consistency of the oil is perfect for sautéing and marinating, allowing for even coating and flavor penetration. Number 1. Chef Merito Spiced Achiote Paste. Discover the vibrant taste of Mexico with our authentic achiote paste. It's the secret ingredient for traditional dishes. Infused with the natural essence of annatto seeds, this paste delivers a beautiful reddish hue and a captivating aroma to your cooking. Perfect for marinades, rubs, and sauces, it elevates everything from meats to vegetables. Unlock a world of flavor possibilities. Simply blend it into your recipes for an instant burst of authentic Mexican seasoning. It's designed for convenience in your kitchen. Experience the trusted quality of Chef Merito. We bring you the finest ingredients for an unparalleled culinary journey. What we like. This spiced achiote paste offers a classic Mexican seasoning with the vibrant color and flavor of annatto seeds. Its convenient paste form makes it easy to incorporate into marinades and rubs. If you're looking to add authentic Mexican flavor and color to your meats and dishes with ease, this paste is a fantastic choice. What people say. The oil has a vibrant, natural color and a subtle, earthy aroma. It's a versatile ingredient that adds a beautiful hue and authentic flavor to various dishes, from rice to meats. The consistency is smooth and easy to incorporate into marinades and rubs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.